So students, today we are in the chapter 7 and this is class 5 video, and our topic of the chapter is Democratic Republic of Congo. So today we are going to start with, and I am going to give you the question answers, okay, and the fill in the blanks. So please all of you take out your copy, and today we will be going with the question answers and the fill in the blanks. So first of all, I'll give you the fill in the blanks. On the screen you can see shortly that the fill in the blanks will be coming. So this is the fill in the blanks, okay. So please, and everybody write it down. A number, first I will read it, then you can write later on. This will be sent in the group also, your WhatsApp classes group also it will be sent after 3 p.m. okay. After 3 p.m. you will be getting this question answers, okay, in the group, and the fill in the blanks you will be getting in the group. I will read it once, you just listen it, okay, or if you have written you can check it. So fill in the blanks. Number 1, the Democratic Republic of Congo is located in Central Africa, that is dash Africa, Central Africa. River dash is the most important river in Congo. So river, which river? Congo, okay. River Congo is the most important river in Congo. The Congo receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. So it receives what? Heavy rainfall throughout the year, okay. The heart of the Congo basin is covered by equatorial rainforest. Equatorial rainforest. EQUATORIAL, equatorial dash rainforest. RAIN, rain. FORESTS, equatorial rainforest. Next you can find is that in Congo, okay, dash have almost become extinct. Pygmies, okay. What has become almost extinct? Pygmies, PYGMIES. Pygmies has become almost extinct, okay. Then we can see in the match the following, okay. So match the following. Kasai, this will be, okay, Kasai, I'll be drawing this one and I'll be showing you. Kasai will be number B, okay, as Sangha, okay. And humidity will be number A, okay, that is 4 o'clock showers, okay. Then cassava will be number E. Don't do this, please, don't do this, Afrin, don't do. Then chinchona, okay, chinchona will be number C. Malaria, okay. Then Bantu will be number D. Pygmies, okay. So this is what we are going with, okay. So I'll be clearing it, this one. Remove this one, Afrin, remove this one. What you have done, remove this one. Congo has, now we are number true and false, okay. Take the eraser and remove, Afrin, take the eraser and remove. Then write true or false and F for false. Congo has 4 national languages, that is true, okay. Congo has how many national languages? 4 national languages, 4, okay, that is true. Katanga is one of the poorest provinces in the Congo, that is false, okay. Matadi is main port of Congo, that is true, okay. Congo does not have any ethnic art as such, you can see, okay, false it is written. Then you can see here is that Congo is the 3rd largest country in Africa, that is true, okay. Then choose the correct option. Democratic Republic of Congo has 4 national languages, okay. Matadi or Katanga province is rich in mineral like gold and copper, it will be Katanga, okay. Water or rail transport is the main form of transportation in the Democratic Republic of Congo, that is water transport is very important transport with the Democratic Republic of Congo, okay. African rap or ZAS is popular in the number of the countries, that is ZAS. Okay, Democratic Republic of Congo is the third or fourth largest country in the Africa, that is third largest country in the Africa. Okay, I hope so you have picked and you have written that one. Now we will go with the question answers. Okay, now we will go with the question answers, but before that I will do stop sharing because we have drawn this one. Now everything will be removed. Don't touch on the screen. Okay, don't touch on the screen. Then you can see here in the big number E is that answer by the following questions. Okay, answer by the following questions. What are the various minerals found in Congo? Okay, what are the various minerals found in Congo? I have done it large. What are the various minerals found in Congo? The Katanga province of Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC. Okay, in the bracket it is written D for Democratic, R for Republic of Congo, C for Congo, is rich in minerals like gold, silver, copper, zinc, oil, uranium and platinum, which are exported all over the world. Okay, that is number 1. Then number 2 you will see. Okay, I will give you to write also. First let me read once, then I will allow you to write. Okay, so I will do it little bit small. Then, why is Congo's transport system so poor? Congo's transport system is poor because of the dense forests, which makes it hard for the roads and the railways lines to be constructed. Okay. Number 3 you can check is that why is the southwestern part of the Congo famous? So there are many grasslands in the southern and the southwestern part of the Democratic Republic of Congo, which makes this area famous. Okay, so now we will go with the number 4, which is that which countries border the Democratic Republic of Congo? The Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, is bordered by the Central African Republic and the South Sudan in the north, or Angola and Zambia in the south, Uganda, Rwanda and Tanzania and Burundi in the east, and the Republic of Congo in the west. So next you will find number 5 is that write a short note on the river Congo. Okay, so the river Congo is the largest river in Africa. It is also known as the highway of the Central Africa because of the major modes of transport and economic importance. So this is all about the question answers, students. I hope that you have understood the question answers. If you have doubt or something, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, so